Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, currently trades around $81,000. Ethereum is still chugging up behind, trading around the $2,385 level. Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market is increasing. Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 61.32%. It means Bitcoin is having a good time right now, outperforming all coins, but we're still waiting for when we're going to get that elusive altcoin season pump. Sentiment right now is neutral in the cryptocurrency market. Sentiment has been improving. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market has been seesaw. The bulls and the bears are battling it out. We look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Where are we heading to in the month of May? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Altcoins pumping, double-digit gains across the board over the last 1 week in the altcoin market. Zcash, Ondo, Luna Classic, Tau, Dogecoin, Dash, to name a few, have given us some early signs of progress, but all eyes is still on the king of the market, Bitcoin. February of 2026, we saw Bitcoin trading for as low as $60,000. Since then, Bitcoin has added $20,000. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $81,000. Bitcoin is up 33% from the bottom. A lot of market participants are still expecting that big dump to Goblin Town, that big reversal. We saw Bitcoin give us similar price action from November of 2025 till January of 2026. That time around, Bitcoin rallied up for around 21%. Bitcoin did that for 54 days before we eventually saw a big dump to Goblin Town. And right now, a lot of market participants are postulating that we'll still see this big dump to Goblin Town, just like we saw where Bitcoin lost 35% of its value. A lot of market participants are expecting Bitcoin to still go lower. But right now, Bitcoin keeps chugging up to higher prices. You look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance is at 61.33%. I believe we're going to see Bitcoin dominance dump. And guys, historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has been good for the altcoin market. We've had 6 consecutive weeks right now of Bitcoin dominance going to higher values. It will not keep going up forever. At some point in time, the nearest future, Bitcoin dominance will dump. And when it dumps, we'll see big pump in the altcoin market as altcoin holders will start singing Kumbaya. But right now, total cryptocurrency market cap still sits under $2.65 trillion. Total cryptocurrency market cap has gotten to as high as $4.27 trillion before. The stock market is going to new all-time highs. The stock market, the S&P 500 is in new all-time highs. The Dow Jones is in new all-time highs. The Russell is in new all-time highs. And I believe crypto is the last frontier. Crypto will be the last sector to have that big pump to the upside. We've seen the S&P 500 get to new all-time highs. We've seen the Dow Jones Transport Index also go to new all-time highs. I believe crypto will be the final puzzle. Crypto will be the final place where we'll see all-time highs after metals, after oil, after the stock market. And when crypto has that all-time high moment, that's the time to run for the hills. I strongly believe a big crash is coming in 2026. But that big crash is going to come when a lot of market participants least expect. So that cryptocurrency market cap will get to new all-time highs. If we see Bitcoin getting back to $100,000, we see the altcoin market rallying aggressively. Don't be shocked to see that cryptocurrency market cap get to as high as $5 trillion at some point in time in 2026. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is improving. We have gone from fear to neutral sentiment. I believe before the end of May 2026, we are going to see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. But right now, good times are slowly returning back to the market. 60 days ago, we saw the cryptocurrency market steep in extreme fear. 60 days ago, all hope was lost. But right now, sentiment is slowly improving as we see optimism slowly returning back to the market. The last 24 hours have seen the bulls and the bears battling it out. According to CoinGlass data, in the last 24 hours, more than 103,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidations coming in around $351 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. A trader was liquidated for $7.63 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't get liquidated before the main event starts. At some point in time, 2026, we are going to see that main event. Bitcoin is up 18% in Q2 of 2026. Ethereum is up 13% in Q2 of 2026. In the month of May, Bitcoin is up 5.77% after going up 11% in the month of April. For Ethereum, it's up 5.3% in the month of May. It was up 7.3% in the month of April. News stories going around the cryptocurrency markets. Bullish news stories have started popping up front, left, and center. Bitcoin short-term coins basis approaches profitability, but 80K must flip to support first. Crypto market turned euphoric as BTC traded above $80,000, but a rally through short-term holders cost basis is needed to cement the bull trend. Right now, guys, there's still a lot of pessimism in the cryptocurrency market, even though we're seeing higher prices and even though we're seeing bullish news stories coming around. Market participants are still expecting a big crash to gobbling town. They're still expecting us to bottom sometimes in Q4 of 2026. Only time will tell. Right now, Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin bouncing around 80K as Iran strikes unsettled crypto and risk assets. Bitcoin faced new volatility and new struggles to reclaim $80,000 as Iran events added pressure to crypto and risk asset. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Bitcoin going in the month of May 2026? Bitcoin now currently trades around $81,000. Do you see us getting to the $100,000 level? The highest price Bitcoin has traded for in 2026 has been the $97,000 level Bitcoin got to on the 14th of January 2026. Do you think we can get to $100,000, higher than $100,000? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Let's take a look at the top performing coins, the top gainers and the top losers in the cryptocurrency market over the last 7 days. The last 7 days, I see Sky AI up 244%, Terra Classic, that's Terra Luna Classic, up 49%, Humanity up 43%, Dash up 32%, and Toncoin and Zcash are up double digits over the last 7 days. In the loser section, Dexter is down like 29%, Meme Coin is down 25%, Chilis is down 18%, World Liberty Finance, they've had some legal troubles over the last few days. They're down 14%, and Midnight and Scar are also down around 10% over the last 7 days. Ethereum holders are back in profit as Ethereum price charges towards $3,000. Ethereum investors are no longer in the red, increasing the chance of a rally to $3,000. But resistance at $2,800 may delay the recovery. Ethereum surges to $2,390 on Monday, pushes its value above its realized price, implying that the average Ethereum holder now is back in profit. Is this enough for the Ethereum bulls to reach $3,000? That $3,000 level is proving to be very, very critical for Ethereum, with Ethereum trading around $2,389. For us to get to that $3,000 level, I believe we'll see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. For Ethereum to get to $3,000, we need to see Ethereum rallying up by around 25% from where it's currently trading. And my base case scenario for Ethereum, which we have seen trade for as high as $3,391 in the year 2026, I believe we can see Ethereum get to as high as $4,000 from where we're currently trading right now. For Ethereum to get to the $4,000 level, we need to see Ethereum go up by more than 65%. Is it possible for Ethereum to rally 65% in 2026? Never say never. We saw similar price action in 2025. Ethereum was down bad, started the year on a very bad note, and then when that rally started in April, before the rally ended in August, Ethereum was up 252% in 137 days. So things change quickly in the cryptocurrency market. You have to keep your eyes out for those opportunities, and when those opportunities come, you have to take advantage of them. And right now, Ethereum has gotten to a historic level. It's above its short-term realistic price. That's the short-term price is above the price that the short-term holders are paying. Ethereum holders returning a profit after unrealized losses provide meaningful financial relief for many holders, perhaps a bullish outlook. Capital B raises $1.3 million from Adam Black for Bitcoin strategy. The Bloodstream CEO subscribed to 10 million warrants as Capital B pushes ahead with his Bitcoin treasury strategy. A lot of companies have been buying Bitcoin, holding them as their own store of value. Hopefully, we'll see what the market has to say about that. MicroStrategy has been famous for doing that, still buying Bitcoin. They took a break this week from buying Bitcoin, but right now, Capital B is raising $1.3 million from Adam Black for their Bitcoin strategy. I believe all these Bitcoin treasury companies will come to a glorious end either sometime in the future when we'll see a lot of them crashing, or maybe they are all right and we'll see them prospering into the nearest future. But guys, I strongly believe there's a big crash coming in 2026. That big crash is going to get a lot of market participants off guard. But right now, let's look at the good times. Let's look at the good vibes, which tells us the market is pumping. We cannot see a dump without a pump. Right now, we're currently in that pump. It was FOMO pump, is it a real rally pump? And Bitcoin price is $96,000 as institutions absorb 500% of daily BTC supply. In past instances, BTC has averaged 24% gain in 1 month, where institutional demand absorbed over 500% of daily mine supply. And that's what's happening right now. Institutions are buying Bitcoin faster than the mines can make Bitcoin. Institutions are buying Bitcoin faster than the miners can get new Bitcoin on the market. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.